What's up, you guys? So today I'm finna be replacing the intercooler pump on my Jag with a upgraded intercooler pump that's used on a Mercedes AMG to keep the supercharger running cool. What's up, you guys? My name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. That's XJ Jesse for you. So today we're finna be upgrading the intercooler on my XJR6 with a Bosch unit. The original Hella pump, that's hella funny. So over here in the Bay Area, Hella is a slang for a lot, but that's the actual name of the brand of the original pump. So the Hella unit pumps 7 liters per minute, but the Bosch unit pumps 11 liters per minute, which is great for the engine because it keeps the engine running cooler, and it's also great for the supercharger. So let's get to it, you guys. Damn, I got hella energy today. I feel good. I slept good. I feel good, smell good, look good. Let's get to it. Remove the air filter housing to get better access to the pump. You guys should know how to do this by now, and if you don't, I do have a separate video on my X300 playlist. The intercooler pump is located on the left side driver's side frame rail. Unclip the electrical connector from the bracket by pushing the clip outwards with a screwdriver, and disconnect the plug. Use an 8mm wrench to remove the mounting bracket. Be careful not to hit your hands. Lift the vehicle up with a floor jack and support it on jack stands. Yeah, I should definitely listen to my own advice, but I love living a dangerous lifestyle. Remove the hose clamps from the pump and have a drain pan ready underneath to catch the coolant spills. What's up, handsome? You're doing a good job. Keep it up. I didn't drain the cooling system, I just kept the hoses elevated to minimize the coolant spills. Oh, I might be able to just take it out from underneath too. Cool. There it is. Remove the 10mm nuts holding the Hella pump on the bracket. The Bosch pump is slightly bigger than the original pump, so I can't use the same bracket. I found a bracket on Amazon that fits perfectly over the Bosch pump, and it has a rubber insulation, but I had to drill some holes on the bracket so I can use the same factory mounting holes. Yeah, this is a bad demonstration of drilling the holes. Shit. You shouldn't hold the bracket with your hands, you can mess up your wrist. I should have used some vice grips instead. This was a fail, things just didn't line up, but you guys get the idea that I was going for. I'll keep looking for another style bracket, but if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. I was having a really hard time trying to reinstall the Bosch pump from underneath. I was getting frustrated. So I've noticed that the bottom port is a little bit thicker than the OEM. So I've been having a hard time attaching the bottom hose, and I've decided that I'm just gonna remove the complete supercharger coolant hose and attach it first to the pump and then put everything back together because I'm frustrating. I'm getting fucking wet everywhere, and yeah, so it's gonna make a mess, but it is what it is. And my batteries are dying, so I have to go home and charge them. How much battery left, so let's see how long it lasts. I think we got like 10 seconds maybe, but I took out the hose. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it. So much easier. Oh, hell yeah. So much easier. You should definitely consider replacing the hose while you do this upgrade. Now the pump is mounted in place, and even though I only have one bolt on, it feels secure. But like I said, I will be upgrading the bracket another time. Cut the wire and lead off the original pump and carefully remove the insulation with a razor blade to reveal the 2 wires. Please don't cut yourself, be careful. The black wire is positive and the brown wire is ground. I'm using butt connectors to crimp the wires to the aftermarket socket. I have links to the parts in the video description. Pay close attention to how you connect the wiring to the aftermarket socket. Make sure that it will hook up the right way. There's a positive and negative label on the Bosch pump. Connect the wiring socket. This aftermarket socket fits, but it doesn't clip on into place and it feels a little bit loose, so I ended up using some electric tape to help secure the plug in place. With everything put back together, fill the coolant reservoir, start the car, and let the engine idle until it reaches normal running temperature. Leave the cap off. When the thermostat opens, it will allow any trapped air to escape. Then check the coolant level again, add more if it's needed, and if it's at max, then just close the cap and have a well-earned beer, a tea, or coffee, whatever you like, cause the job here is done. If you guys found this video helpful, please select that like button. And special thanks to those that donated. I truly appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you for supporting my work. And if you personally want to support this channel, there is a donation link in the video description. All donations are being used for tools, parts, and video equipment to bring more videos just like this one for you guys. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Damn, I'm getting the hang of this YouTube thing. I'm starting to talk like an influencer. Look at me. Look at me now. Look at us. All right, you guys. Late.